G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. I should do a quick update on the flow hive. It's a shocking day today. It's a lot cooler. We've already had a lot of rain, not much activity coming out of these beehives. I think most of them are staying home, to be honest. I just wanted to show you the progress on these frames. So this side is almost completely full of nectar. In fact, I'm pretty sure every cell now has nectar in it, all the way up to one cell capped. And then if we come over the other side, if we come over this side and have a look at this window, they've really done well. Look at that. Probably 50% of this is capped. We're only looking at about, through this window, you're probably only looking at about 70%. But have a look at the capping here. Oh, I can't wait to harvest some more honey. We just harvested 10 kilos from 4 frames of these flow hives. And the honey is just, and I'm not just saying this, but I've never tasted honey like it. It is a really strong flavoured honey, but by far the best honey I've ever eaten. But have a look at that. That looks so beautiful. Look at that. Be great to see a bee extracting, I don't know whether that's a word, excreting wax, but I can't see any. Anyway, there is my flow hive update. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.